Hey! In front of me is VIVO X80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and select Sound. After that, click on Vibrate Focus and select Vibration Options. Now click on one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I'll go with always vibrates, have to tap on it and go back. Now choose Vibration Intensity and click on one of those options. I will go with low. Then go back and choose Notification Vibration. Now adjust intensity of vibrations for your incoming notifications by selecting one of those options, like high, or disable them completely by selecting off. Now you need to go back, scroll down and choose Phone Ringtone. Then select Vibration Effect and pick one of those. I will go with Standard. You can also disable them completely by selecting None. Now go back and choose Notification Ringtone. Over here you can click on Vibration Effect as well and do exactly the same. Then go back, scroll down and click on the switcher next to Charging Sound and Vibration to enable or disable vibrations for your charging. If you want to, you can also tap on Touch Vibration and select one of those options to adjust intensity of them or disable them completely by choosing off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!